I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be making cake, but I'll be putting it in a queen cake tray like always. So I just want to show you my ingredients, the ones I will be using. Like you can see here, I have flour that I have to pass through the sieve first before I use. I have this one, blue band. I prefer blue band to the other types. And then I have baking powder, and then I have 2 eggs. I'm not a fan of many eggs, but for you, you might use 4 eggs if you wish. For me, I'll just use 2. And then I have salt right there. I have milk. I can add some more in case the milk is not enough. And then I have sugar. And then next to sugar, I have vanilla essence. So guys, I hope you enjoy this process. Those are the ingredients. Let's get to business. but I can tell I have improved from the previous vlogs where I used to be not so good at baking. So guys, that is it. I'm just going to let them cool down.